Hi. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to prepare a contract for approval, add approvers, and complete the approval process. Step 1. Preparing the contract for approval. Before submitting a contract for approval, ensure it is ready. Therefore, open the contract page and navigate to the Attachments tab and set the status of the contract file as to be approved yes. Once verified, move to the Approval Center for processing. Step 2. Adding approvers. In the Approval Center, define who will review and approve the contract. This can also be pre-configured if a specific approval matrix is already set up. Click Add Approvers to specify the reviewers. Select the approver type, choosing from users, collaborators, or user groups. Provide a label or summary for each approver to clarify their role. Define the approval sequence and add multiple approval orders if needed. Step 3. Approving contracts. When a contract requires approval, approvers will receive an email notification. Open the approval email and click on the Contract ID link to access the Approval Center in Lexzur. From the contract page, review contract details and access the files from the Attachments tab or download them directly from the Approval Center. Take action by selecting one of the following options. Approve, click the green checkmark. Reject, click the red cross. If further discussion is needed, initiate a negotiation. Click the blue negotiation icon in the Approval Center. Add comments to outline concerns or suggestions, and start the negotiation process. All negotiation notes are saved at the contract level for future reference and transparency. Step 5. Completing the approval workflow. Once a contract is approved, the next approver in the sequence receives a notification to proceed. The process continues until all approvers have reviewed and approved the contract. At the end of the process, all approvers will receive an email confirming that the approval process has been finalized.